New background, new prop. Let's get into the video. Now we're making the arm parts of Chainsaw Man. I got this template off of SKS Props. It's free. Go ahead and download it for you guys. But I did actually add an extra sizing because it doesn't fit me. And you guys already know the deal. Copy that onto your phone. In this case, I'm using a roll of 3mm foam. Yes, I bought a new roll. But then you're gonna have to trace out your arm piece. Your arm, basically. You have this. You just trace out this. Everyone's arm is different. I didn't use the one that it had because everyone's forearm is different. So yeah. Now I don't know what these are called, but I found them in Hobby Lobby. They're like little square like sticks, and I just use them as the core for the chainsaw arm pieces, and it held up pretty great. And as you can see, I'm gluing 10mm like rectangles to fit in there, so the inside is not hollow and won't break on me. Now, by far, this was the most tedious part of this build. If you're gonna do Chainsaw Man, you gotta be prepared to do all this work. It took me roughly about 3 to 4 hours, give or take, of cutting 45 long chainsaw pieces, 45 small chainsaw pieces, and about 120 squares. I think it's a little bit more than that, but to glue in and double to make one chainsaw, that is just for one chainsaw arm piece. 45 each. I think you're gonna have a little bit extra, but everyone's arm is different, but this was just how mine was. Now everything is all super glued besides the main core of the piece. Now everything right here is super glued. I just used 2 bottles of super glue, but I think it's because mine was already half empty. But either way, I used super glue to glue on the little rectangle pieces. Then I used a Dremel to get that little arch piece under the chainsaw piece. And then I super glued those chainsaw pieces to the actual chainsaw arm piece. Right after you're done with your full chainsaw build and so much tedious work, you're gonna hit it with a gloss black spray paint. That way the silver will shine even more. But I just hit it with one coat of gloss black, and then I hit it with a clear coat, and then I hit it with the silver. I just hit one coat of silver because I didn't really want it to shine, and either way I'm gonna dirty it up. you can go ahead and skip this step, but I decided to put Mod Podge and black paint, as I thought it would give it more of a 3D texture, but it really didn't. You're better off just doing watered down black paint. But learn from my mistakes, guys. I mean, if you want to do this, go ahead. I used a piece of couch foam and just dab. Then right after it was done with the Mod Podge, I hit it with a watered down red paint, and you just go crazy with this. You don't have to be specific. It's just blood splatters, and obviously you don't have to do it dirty and all bloody. You can leave it clean. But yeah, there it is, my Chainsaw Man arm pieces. I still don't know what to call these, but here's the final product all displayed in my shop.